we're going to get this unboxed. Isn't that right, Speedy?
Yeah, we're going to get all the,
accessories out.
Yeah.
So should we come back when?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
See you later.
Yeah, we'll see you when we get all the accessories out.
Okay, so everything is set up, as you can see, and we're just going to get Mackenzie and Rylan in here to show you some details and stuff. So
It's awesome.
yeah, there's a lot of things to show. So yeah.
Okay, so it's a pretty cool truck, I gotta admit. These windshield wipers were supposed to work, but they don't work.
It might just be our truck, like I'm not sure.
Yeah, I saw that on another video too. So, and then the music. And then there's this glove compartment where they keep all their money. Should close that. And then there's this cup dispenser and a deep fryer that actually comes out, but it's kind of hard because of the counter. There's pretzels, 3 pretzels, and there's bowls with ice cream in them. Do you want to show them some other things, Rylan?
I'll talk, because I like talking.
Rust, Rylan will talk.
Okay, so there's napkin holder.
Wow, you're a bad photographer.
Oops, I
Here.
knocked over the ice cream.
So, she knocked over one of these.
I mean, slushy.
Here, you could just, like, talk.
And there's some sprinkles
Yeah.
and
I
caramel
love
sauce,
these
chocolate
sprinkles.
sauce, and strawberry sauce.
Yeah.
And oh, I almost knocked everything
These
down.
look so realistic.
Oh no, maybe they are real.
No, I think they're just cut up pieces of plastic.
And there's also these slushies and straws.
Whoa, it's not focusing.
Whoa, what just happened?
Whoa, okay.
Sorry.
There we go.
Yeah, and there's the straws and slushies back there.
Yeah, unfortunately these straws don't come out, but they're a really cool feature.
And there's a ding. There's a service bell.
A
It doesn't-
ding!
A service bell and some spoons
Yeah, there's 4 spoons there.
and an ice cream scoop. Of course, you gotta have an
Yeah,
ice
and then these come out. Whoa!
Whoa!
Can you get that, please, Ryan? Okay. But yeah, there's some tongs,
it?
and the ice comes out. It's not it's 2 individual pieces, like that. And yeah, so these
And
come
this
out.
Seat for driving. Oh,
Yeah.
I thought it moved.
No, this
Oh.
turns though. And a really cool feature is when you press this button, the lights come on. I'll show you.
And there's these things.
Yeah, these things. I forgot to
the mirrors.
put them out. They go in and out.
There's
And then when you turn, actually, how about we do this? So, Rylan, can you press the brake pedal, please? When you press the brake pedal,
what is that?
press the brake pedal, please. When you press the brake pedal, the brake lights come on, which is pretty cool. And they just go off. And then, if you turn the steering wheel right, I don't know which way I'm going right now, but if you turn it this way, the lights come on that way, and then that way, the lights come on that
And
way.
at the back here, there's
Yeah,
these
this is a
open.
slide out thing. It's easier from the outside.
Yeah.
Whoa, I keep knocking stuff over. Can't see what I'm doing in the camera. Okay. So yeah, and then in the fridge, I forgot the fridge. And then there's these
A
donuts,
lot more
these
accessories
popsicles.
in the fridge.
Yeah, with like, there's over 128 accessories.
Over.
Yeah, over. So yeah, and in the fridge is, here, I'll just get that set up, a bunch of other things. As you can see, it comes with like these popsicles. It comes with 4 trays. And then it comes with all these ice cream sandwiches, banana splits, and sundaes back there. And then it comes with also popsicles back there. So yeah.
Let's just say this is a really good ice cream truck. Yeah.
Also, there's a pull-up patio, right, guys?
Yeah.
And do you guys want to help me pull it out? It's kind of tricky. Whoa, sorry, Rust. Okay, Rust.
Okay.
Crazy.
I'll just get
Oh.
here.
So that's the pull patio.
Yeah, and here's the stools. And then this little serving counter thing. Yeah, so you can put like
Yeah.
strawberries.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna take your order. Okay. Whoa, are you okay? Can you put him back up, please? Okay. Ooh. Okay. What is your order, guys? Oh my God, the floor is a mess right now.
I will have a donut.
What flavor donut would you like?
Chocolate.
We don't have chocolate.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, well, like I meant what color icing?
Oh, blue. And chocolate stuff. Okay.
Okay. Anything else, like sauces or something?
I want some strawberry sauce, please. And some. Oh wait, it has sprinkles. Thanks.
You want extra sprinkles though?
Yeah.
They're on the floor. Here, chocolate sprinkles.
Yay. Okay, let's go take this.
Oh, we ran out of sprinkles.
No, we didn't.
Okay, Speedy, what's yours?
Guys, this is really good. I like a red slushy, please.
Okay, anything else for you?
Yep. A pretzel.
Anything else for you?
Yep.
I'm just
A milkshake.
Anything else for you?
Yep. A popsicle.
Anything else for you?
No, I'm good.
Okay. No, I'm good. Okay, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want, you can buy this at Target for $109. I really recommend it. It's awesome, and it's only $109 at Target, and plus tax and everything. But like, yeah. I don't know where else you can get it. Maybe Amazon or something. eBay maybe. I really like eBay. But yeah, everything on eBay is like really expensive. I like Target better. Okay, so we hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe and put in the comment section down below. What's your favorite accessory for this? Mine is probably like...
Mine is a donut.
Yeah, I really like these tongs for some reason. Oh, no. I like the sauces. Never mind. And the sprinkles.
I like the sprinkles.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll see you guys in the next video. Well, maybe we will. Probably just Speedy and Wrust. I don't know.
Just us.
Yeah.
By the way, I got a new house.
Yeah, Rust got a new house.
Yeah. Whatever.
And they're going to do a house tour video soon. So, yeah. So, bye.